Which AV receiver is actually good for your Clips reference speakers? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1. Sony STR DH190. The Sony STR DH190. Priced at $248, this home stereo receiver offers a solid blend of features and sound quality. If you want an affordable option that gives you great sound with Bluetooth connectivity, this is worth a serious look. This receiver has a 100 watts per channel output, which means it can really power your Clip speakers without breaking a sweat. The Bluetooth feature lets you easily stream music from your phone, so you can enjoy your playlists without any hassle. Plus, it has a phono input, perfect for connecting your turntable if you're into vinyl. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having that Bluetooth connectivity means no more tangled wires, and you can control your music right from your phone. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced features like 4K video support or multi-room audio capabilities. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily focused on audio and don't need all the bells and whistles, this model still provides excellent sound quality that can meet your basic home theater needs. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly receiver that focuses on music and basic home theater setups. Skip this one if you need more advanced features or extensive connectivity options. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the STR DH190's lack of advanced video features bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more focus on home theater capabilities.
Product number 2. Denon AVR S570BT. Priced at $449, this 5.2 channel receiver stands out with its 8K Ultra HD capability. If you want an AV receiver that's ready for high-definition audio and video, you should seriously consider this one. The AVR S570BT features 4 HDMI 2.1 ports and supports HDR formats, which means you can enjoy stunning visuals and immersive audio for your movies and games. With a power output of 70 watts per channel, it delivers a true cinematic experience. The built-in Bluetooth allows for seamless streaming, so you can listen to your favorite tracks without any fuss. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8K support future-proofs your system, ensuring you're ready for the latest technology without needing to upgrade again soon. However, some users have mentioned that the setup process can be a bit tricky for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get through the initial setup, the on-screen assistant is pretty helpful, making it easier to get everything connected and optimized. This is ideal for home theater enthusiasts who want cutting-edge technology and don't mind spending a bit more for it. Skip this if you're just looking for basic audio playback without the additional video features. It's a great value for what you get. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more economical choice without sacrificing too much in performance.
Product number 3. Pyle 5.2 channel receiver. The Pyle 5.2 channel hi-fi home theater receiver offers an impressive surround sound experience without breaking the bank. If you want a powerful yet affordable option, this is worth a look. With a maximum output of 1000 watts and 5.2 channel surround sound, you'll experience a significant boost in audio quality compared to standard stereo setups. It supports 4K Ultra HD, which means you can enjoy stunning visuals alongside your audio. The Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stream music wirelessly, and the built-in dock ensures that the sound quality remains crisp and clear. Here's why this matters for you. The combination of features allows you to set up an immersive home theater system without spending a fortune. Now, some have reported that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing, while it may not have the premium feel of higher-end models, it's designed to deliver performance where it counts, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. This is perfect for those who want a decent surround sound experience for movies and music on a budget. Skip this if you're looking for a premium build or advanced features like HDMI ARC. For the price, it's a fantastic option. Now, if the Pyle's build quality concerns you, the next receiver has a reputation for being more reliable and durable.
Product number 4. The Mauki MAM-P1. The Mauki MAM-P1 is priced at just $55.99. This compact receiver is great if you need something simple yet effective. If you're looking for a no-frills option that still packs a punch, this one might surprise you. Despite its low price, it delivers a peak power of 400 watts and features Bluetooth 5.0 for easy streaming.
The 7 inputs allow you to connect multiple audio sources, including microphones for karaoke sessions, making it versatile for different setups. Here's why this matters. The flexibility of inputs means you can easily switch between your TV, computer, and other devices without hassle. However, some users have pointed out that the sound quality can lack depth compared to more expensive models. Here's the thing. While it won't match the high-end audio receivers, it's definitely capable for casual listening and small gatherings. This is perfect for casual users who want a reliable receiver for basic use. Skip this if you're an audiophile looking for high-end sound quality. For its price, it offers a surprising amount of functionality. Now, if you need something that balances affordability with features, the last option on the list has a bit more to offer. Product number 5, Sony STR-DH590. Let's talk about the Sony STR-DH590, priced at $498. This 5.2 channel receiver is designed for those who want a true home theater experience. If you're serious about sound, this is worth your attention. With 725 watts of power and virtual surround sound capabilities, it brings cinematic audio to your living room. The 4K HDR pass-through ensures that you won't lose any video quality when watching your favorite films. Plus, it supports various audio formats, including Dolby Audio, which enhances your viewing experience. Here's why this matters for you. Having a powerful receiver means you can crank up the volume without distortion, making it ideal for movie nights or parties. On the downside, some users mention that the interface can be a bit confusing to navigate at first. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the features really allow you to customize your sound experience. This is perfect for serious home theater enthusiasts who want the best audio experience. Skip this if you prefer a simpler setup without all the extra features. For those who are looking for quality, this receiver offers great value for the performance it delivers.
We've covered the Sony STR-DH190, Denon AVR S570BT, Pile 5.2 channel receiver, Mookie MAMP1, and Sony STR-DH590. Each has its strengths, whether you're looking for budget options or high-end performance. Picking the right AV receiver for your Klipsch reference speakers really comes down to what matters most to you in your audio experience.